Hey guys, this is Jack. Now I want to introduce to you another line. You see here, this is side name 122. You see, product from there, and you know the this is a round biscuits, and it conveys from that part and then to the linking to packing machines. The parameter settings. This is the feeding line, and you see the motor, the electric eyes. You see all electric eyes, and on here it conveys into these parts, and there's a pusher into the bagger, and finally here to be cut, and to the brushes, and later this is the outcoming way to collect the biscuits